Good day everyone, my name is Aqilah. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to assist a patient to a deep breath and coughing. So why do we do it? Why do we assist the patient with deep breath and coughing? It is because to help the patient to clear the air passages and to prevent any respiratory complications from happening. So before we carry out this procedure, we will need to check if the patient need any pain medication. If they do need pain medication, we need to wait for 45 minutes before we do this procedure. So second, we also can use for example, pillow to support the incision for the patient. So these are what we will need. First, we need disposable gloves. Second, emesis basin, tissues, and pillowcase covered pillow. Good morning, sir. My name is Aqilah, and today I will be assisting you to deep breath and coughing. First, sir, I will need to elevate your position. Is that fine, sir? Is that fine by you? Okay, sir, we will help you to elevate. Okay, now, sir, I will need to let you rest your hand across interlace it. Okay, now, sir, I will need you to inhale, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and then exhale to purse lips. Okay, now inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, exhale, and we repeat this 5 times. Okay, sir? Inhale, exhale. Do you feel tired, sir? No. Okay, you will proceed. Inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, exhale. Inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, exhale. Inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, exhale. So now, sir, I will put this pillow on top of you. Then seize your hands on top of the pillow. Sir, do you feel comfortable, sir? Okay. Now, I will perform hand hygiene and wear my gloves. Okay, now, sir, I will need you to inhale and cough onto this tissue. Okay, sir? Inhale. Inhale one more time. Okay, nice, sir. Now, I will dispose this tissue into the emesis bin. Sir, we have finished your procedure. Now I will help you to a more comfortable position. Is that fine by you, sir? Yes. Okay, nice. I will remove this pillow. And to a more comfortable position. Okay, nice, sir. Now I will do hand hygiene and dispose these gloves. And then I will perform hand hygiene. I will wash my hands.